Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Chrome is updated and you're on the laptop's target network. This avoids differences between Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Once done, open Chrome and go straight to Settings to save time. You need to know which secure DNS provider you'll use and have its exact domain or address ready. This is important because Chrome needs the provider name when you set a custom resolver. Make sure your network connection is stable before continuing to the next settings screen. Now navigate into Privacy and Security and open the Security panel. This is where Chrome exposes Secure DNS controls. Select Use Secure DNS to enable DNS over HTTPS, then pick either a preset provider from the list or choose Custom and type the provider hostname exactly. Once you enter the hostname, Chrome will attempt to validate and show whether the connection is successful. Keep an eye on the status message. If it confirms encrypted resolution, finish by verifying Secure DNS is active. Visit a DNS privacy test or reload sites and watch for faster encrypted lookups. If you need to force a refresh, go to Chrome //netinternals/#DNS to clear the DNS cache and then flush socket pools. This ensures Chrome re-resolves addresses via the new service. If resolution fails, restart Chrome and try a different known provider to isolate whether the laptop, network, or provider is the problem. One tip: disable VPN or system DNS overrides while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.